Hello my friends, it's Sheree. How's everyone doing today? Welcome to my channel. This is going to be a little 10 minutes of crafting, but instead of crafting, it's going to be journaling. Journal with me. So I just wanted to explain real quick before I start my timer. But yeah, I think I'm ready to go. So let's do it, because I don't want this video to be too long anyway. So too much longer than 10 minutes. So here we go. Let's see. So I have some pictures to put in. Trying to get things squared away here in my craft room. And last week we did these two pages. I'm kind of filling in with pictures and or whatever I had to put in, like going back to pages that maybe I skipped and filling in. So we did this last week. Let's see, this is birthday. So yeah, so next page here that I haven't put anything on is this ledger paper. So I have, let's see, New Year's, kind of like Christmas, and these two are New Year's. Okay, so that would be that. But I have my scraps here, so I could pull out something to put maybe a little mat or something behind the pictures. So, this is New Year, so I'm not going to really kind of like stick to any certain colors right here on this page, but let's see, I want something, well, you know, I've either got, it looks like I either have, I didn't think I was going to need my paper cutter, but I forgot I wanted to cut a little mat here, so let me move things over. Yeah, I'm not going to make myself stick to any certain colors. If I like it, it's my journal, I can put whatever I want in here, so I'm just going to, I haven't used any of this. This is the paper I got from Hobby Lobby. Let me measure my pictures here. This will really brighten up this page, right? So, yeah, I think this will be pretty too. So, yeah, I can have a pretty journal. That's my journal, right? Alright, so I'm going to cut a little mat here. Let's see. I'm going to turn it this, I like that pink flower right there. So let's, well, yeah, I just have to go with it, or else I'm going to spend too much time here. I can still see the pink flower down there. Okay. So let me go ahead and see if I can peel this off of here. This is from, I know I've said it before, but in case, you know, if I don't say it, then people ask me. So I'll go ahead and say it. These little pictures are from my HP Sprocket, which is a little machine you can get, little HP photo printer that prints only these little color pictures, and they are stickers. You can get the sticker photo paper for them. They're this size, 2 by 3, and it's a handy little, I just put that on crooked. Let's see, as far as there's a bubble in the middle. But yeah, that prints straight from your phone, so you can go in on your, you make sure it's charged up, and usually I plug it into my computer, little, you know, USB plug. I plug it into my computer, and then I get my phone. My phone is linked, you know, or synced with it. And so then I just go through my pictures on my phone or whatever. You can link your Facebook and whatever you have linked with it. With Sprocket, you can get pictures from and just put it and just print them out. So that's what I do, in case you hadn't heard of that before. That's what I was going to get at when I was looking for one. I was leaning toward, or I had been looking for a long time at the Instax camera, but then, you know, you got to buy the camera and the it's the same thing, but I just thought this was better in the long run, you know, to be able to print the pictures from my phone and all that. So that's what I ended up with, and I have not been sorry, or I have not regretted that I bought it. It's been like, I don't know what the others are like out there, as far as I did research a bunch of different types, and this one just seems like something I would like better than anything else. So, and I have been enjoying it. All I have to do is buy the photo paper now whenever I need to print out more photos, these little photos, and I knew that's what I knew I wanted these little ones for my journals. You know, I wanted this little size. I thought they were so cute, and they would be so perfect. They wouldn't take up a lot of room, and I could have all the photos I wanted to. So far, so good. Never had a problem. I just ordered the photo paper from Amazon. In fact, I will put my Amazon associate link to the sprocket, HB sprocket, and the photo paper. I usually get, there's a smaller pack of photo paper, and I usually get the 50 sheet because I go through a lot of it as far as I've always loved pictures. So, I mean, ever since when I was little and my parents got me my first camera, I've always just loved taking pictures. So, let's see, okay. It's not exactly in the middle, but that's fine. So yeah, so now we have a little color here behind my pictures. So that's fun. You know, I mean, you can just glue them down, but I kind of, you know, if I have time, I want to add a little bit of a, you know, color paper or something. Okay, so that is super cute. So that's 2 of the pictures, and then I have 2 more here. So let me flip over. Let me get all the pictures in here first. Let's see, I don't have anything on this page yet, but that would be writing space in there. I'm not going to put a picture behind the cover, behind something. Okay, so here is, let's see, I glued that down the other day. That was for my birthday party hat. So that's a good background. I'm going to go ahead and just put these on that. It's like I already have a colorful background. So yeah, let's do it. These are nice and sticky. You don't have to add glue. I just put it down on that paper, so I did have to add glue. But if you're already got your paper down, then you are good to go. And as you can see, this peels off pretty easily. You know, just like that. And the color is good and everything from the little sprocket. The color comes from the photo paper, so you never have to reload any kind of color or anything into the printer. It just, I don't know, it's really a cool little machine how it works. Which I don't know how it works, but it works. That's all I know, what I just told you. Okay, so I have a couple of, I want to put these in here as like decorations, these little tags. And I kind of want to just hang them around. I might hang one over here. Or I might do it on a separate page. Let's see. I have, let's see, this is pretty thick. Is this really, yeah, this is thick, so I'm not going to do it there. Let's see, let me find a, let me put one up here. I'm just kind of experimenting with this. So I got these, you will see in a future Thrifty Thursday, that I got a bunch of, let me just pick one out here. Let me pick out this one because it has all different colors. But you will see where I show you this in detail. This little, let's see, how does it open? Bunch of goodies like brads and things that I got from, is there a little lid here that, there it goes. Yeah, brads that I got from thrift store. So I wanted to try and use them. Like, it's great to, if you sell journals and you don't use your own journals or junk journal yourself, it's kind of fun to do it because then you can experiment and you can see what people want. It's like you kind of get in their heads about what people really want maybe in a junk journal because you're doing it yourself too. So that's one reason to do it if you sell the journals. Oh, this is so pretty, right? I love that. Okay, so I want to put down these others, maybe just as decorations. Just kind of hang them here and there. Let's hang one back here. Plus, I kind of want to experiment, like I said, with these little brads to see what I can do with them. I have used brads before in my journals, but I just, haven't used them a lot. So, oh, you guys, I've got 58 seconds. Let me see. I'm trying to hang this on here and get it in here at the same time. These are just some tags from different things I've purchased over the last couple of weeks. And I just thought they were cool tags. I thought I might cover them up, but I haven't, so I'm just putting them in here. Boy, they're so small. That's one thing about these. Let me get it in there. Okay, it's in there. Now I'm going to hang it. I was trying to hang it and then get it in there, but now I'm going to hang it and then push it the rest of the way through. Okay, see, that's a good reason to experiment. See how these work best with different things. Okay, so I want to get that little knot at the top, and then push my prongs down over here without like destroying this page. Okay. Oh gosh, I thought I had my sound off. Hold on. Turn off. Okay. That my 10 minutes is up. Okay, so oh, it's not on there. Okay, so this is the reason I wanted to experiment to see how difficult this would be. So that didn't work, hanging it on the string. So there's a little hole in here. I'm going to put it through the hole this time. Put it through the hole. That seems to work best. I'll still have the little, like, hang. This is the original, like, elastic string that was on there. I just wanted that on there because I think it's just kind of like so junk journally that I wanted it to just to be like so, like, just plain. Like I just put it, like I just threw a tag in here. That's what I'm doing. So let's get those prongs bent now. So there we go. Cute, and it moves around if I want it to. Okay, and I got one more. Let's go ahead and finish this. We'll see how long it takes me here. Just a little bit over 10. So I used I think I used, I used a pink brad on that one. Let's use a yellow one on this one. This one's from a garden little sign. I think I told you that the other day, but I didn't get it put in here. So now everything's put in. All I have to do is do my writing off camera. But there we go. Isn't that cute? So I think those are going to be fun. Like I said, I'm going to show you these in a future. I already have recorded it and uploaded it and everything. You just haven't seen it yet. A future Thrifty Thursday. So that's it. 10 minutes and a little bit more, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day. Happy journaling.